Good day. Welcome to another episode of Handy Dandy. Today we're going to talk about how to maintain a fridge. Follow me. So, how does the dust under the fridge get cleaned? Yeah, those tough to reach areas. Well, I used a car jack. Look at that beauty. Once the fridge was securely lifted, I was able to vacuum all the dust particles that collected over the years. Yeah. Life expectancy of the fridge most likely extended. Thank you for watching another handy dandy video. Good luck and good day.